See, ACCA is a very logical exam. 1 crore can an ACCA earn? It's a professional global exam you will have to put in. Then MBA might seem like an escape route, but it generally is not. Is MBA equal to ACCA? Yes, like I said, right? ACCA is considered equivalent, if not higher, than many masters and MBA degrees. So yes, if you are an MBA and I'm an ACCA and we go to apply, assuming the companies are open to both MBAs and ACCA, we both will actually have a standing chance to get hired. For an average student, is ACCA difficult? I don't see. ACCA is a very logical exam. It might be about finance and accounts, but it is less about numbers and it's much more about understanding. It's much more about asking yourself why are these rules being followed in the real world, and they always have a good logic. So if you're a good logical person, you like putting in effort to understand and figure out how, why things are happening the way they are, it becomes interesting. You can actually remember it without effort because it's very obvious once you understand the logic. So in that sense, it's not very difficult, it's very logical. But at the end of the day, it's a professional global exam. You will have to put in tons of effort. No matter, you can be an average student, you can be an above average student, doesn't matter. You have to put whatever effort it takes to actually clear the exam, and yes, that effort is definitely significant. The 7-year rule in ACCA is more about basically if you don't complete your ACCA within 7 years, especially after you reach professional level papers, everything lapses and you have to start from scratch again. 1 crore can an ACCA earn? I know enough and more people who actually are achieving that, and it could be because they are in a professional capacity, like they started working in a big company and stuck to it for a few years and climbed up the ladder, maybe reached director level, maybe partner level. I know people who worked in private companies and have reached CXO, like CFO level, or they are VP of finance. I know people who started their own businesses, and I know people who are into family businesses. I know people who've gone overseas. All of these examples have people earning over 1 CR. But yes, you have to put in the effort, and it does take a while to get there. But then that's the case for any degree you actually earn. Is MBA after ACCA worth it? That only applies to the fact that you are an ACCA, you started working, and you realize what you're good at. You realize what your pathway is. You know what you want to do in life. And to get to your goal, you need an MBA. Only in that situation is doing an MBA worthwhile. Otherwise, if you're just doing it to collect degrees or because you're bored of doing finance or you're bored of your current life, then MBA might seem like an escape route, but it generally is not. Okay, if you have any more questions, then please do leave it in the comments down below.